Assalamu alaikum. My name is Said Wazir. In today's session, we will talk about the topic of analogies. This topic is included in the screening test of KPPMS. Apart from this, this is an integral part of the PRESI paper, both in the competitive exams of CSS and PMS. Students, I have listed 13 different categories, forms, and types of analogies. Before I explain different categories of analogies, let me explain from this single handout. Students, this is your first pair, and these are these are the secondary pairs. Again, this is your first pair and these are the secondary pairs. Let's suppose in question number 1, the pair consists of poverty and prosperity. In question number 2, stage and theater. This is called, students, the first pair, and this is called the second pair, its answer. Again, this is the first pair and this is the second pair. Let me explain it. Poverty, prosperity in pair number 1 are in the first pair, poverty and prosperity. Poverty and prosperity, they are antonyms, they are opposite words, poverty and prosperity, and both are nouns. Both are nouns. Now, students, we are supposed to find this relation, this particular relation, in one of the following pairs: A, B, C, D, E. Students, if we study them, if we try to decode them, pair number D fits in the answer: intelligence and stupidity. Intelligence and stupidity both are opposite words and both are nouns. Students, this is important. Both are opposite words and both are nouns. Again, in the pair number second or in the second pair, stage, theater. Here the relation is of antonyms, and here the relation will be of part. I will explain in the categorism. Students, see stage and theater. Stage and theater. This is the first pair. Bedroom and house. Bedroom and house. This fits in the answer of pair number 2. Bedroom and house. Both are nouns. Both are nouns. Students, see, bedroom is a part of a house. Same is the case with stage. Stage is the part of a theater. Yes, stage is a part of a theater. Students, you have to keep three things in mind. I'm going to explain. Parts of speech, word order, exactness. Parts of speech, word order, exactness. Now, students, we will talk about their different categories. See, category number first, antonyms like up and down, crying and laughing, fire and water. Some of the pairs are not visible, so you have to note them down on your papers, because I'm facing issues with the whiteboard and with the camera. Again, I'm repeating: antonyms Category number first, like up and down. This is your primary. This is your first pair. Crying and laughing, fire and water. And there will be secondary pairs. And you have to find the same pair. Means same part of speech, word order, and in terms of exactness. Number second category, synonyms like great and wonderful, kind and friendly, delicious and yummy. Category number 3, part to whole, part to whole, like trunk and tree. Trunk is a part and tree is a whole. Feather bird, feather is a part and bird is a whole. Wolf pack, wolf pack. Category number 4, tool its action like pencil and write, pencil and write. This is a bit difficult, so we'll leave this. Pencil and write. Pencil is your tool and action is write. With the help of pencil we write. Number category number 5, whole part like school and classroom. School and classroom. School is whole and classroom is its part. Tool user and tool. Carpenter hammer. Carpenter uses hammer. Artist draw. Artist draw. Category number 7. Category example like dog, golden retriever, cow, mammal, apple, fruit. Cow, mammal, apple, fruit. Category number 8, cause if effect, cause like flood, rain, wealth, invest, wealth, invest, flood, rain. Effect, flood, cause, rain. Rain causes flood, rain causes flood. फिर students category number 9, cause, effect. Here it is in the reverse form. If you see, cause effect like practice, improve. If you do practice, you will improve. Eat, fed, study, pass. Category number 10, action, things acted upon. Read book. We work on a book. This is your action and this is your object. We work on it. Category number 11, action, subject performing action. Action, subject performing action. Teach, teacher. Teach is your action, subject performing action. Teacher is the performer. Teacher is the performer. Category number 12, object or place. Object or place, its user. Chalk, teacher. Chalk, teacher. Category number 13, noun, closely related adjective. Elephant, enormous. Oven, hot. Pillow, soft. Students, for your kind information, you can join my WhatsApp group. The name of my WhatsApp group is PMSKP Screening English. मैंने अपने टाइमलाइन पे भी शेयर किया था, ग्रुप्स में भी और पेजेस पे भी। और अगर आप लोग लिंक के ज़रिए ज्वाइन करना चाहते तो 0345 099 7822 पे आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप करें। आई विल सेंड यू द रेलेवेंट लिंक। इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट्स, इसका एक फ़ाइल है मेरे पास एनालॉजीज़ का। वो मैं एक फेसबुक ग्रुप है मेरा, ऐसे एंड प्रेसी विद सईद वज़ीर, मैं उधर भी पोस्ट करूँगा। मैं अपने टाइमलाइन सईद वज़ीर पे भी इसको शेयर करूँगा। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, और मेरे जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से इन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मैं उधर पोस्ट करूँगा। इट्स वेरी सिंपल, इट्स वेरी इजी। आप लोग कोशिश करें कि पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को अंडरस्टैंड करें, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आर इम्पोर्टेंट। फिर वर्ड ऑर्डर को अंडरस्टैंड करें और फिर एग्जैक्टनेस को अंडरस्टैंड करें, क्योंकि सम ऑफ द पेयर्स दे आर क्लोजली रिलेटेड इन मीनिंग। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप अपने आप को कंफ्यूज ना करें। ये जो कैटेगरीज मैंने आपको बताए, एंटोनिम, सिनोनिम, स्पॉट, टूल, होल, टोल, कैटेगरी, इफेक्ट, काज, एक्शन, अगेन एक्शन, सब्जेक्ट, नाउन, ये आप लोग याद करें। इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट, सबसे आसान तरीका ये है कि आप लोग ओकेबलरी आइटम्स पे फोकस करें। ओकेबलरी इज़ वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड different vocabulary categories, synonyms, antonyms, idioms, names, वैराइटीज़ के नेम्स स्टूडेंट्स, जितने भी आपके टेक्निकल टर्म्स है, कीवर्ड्स है, जॉर्गन्स है, आप लोगों ने याद करने। और इनके लिए स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप लोगों ने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया, फिर मैं बताता हूँ। PMS KP स्क्रीनिंग इंग्लिश, ये मैंने अपने फेसबुक पेजेस पे मैंने इसको पोस्ट किया था। नंबर मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया। और मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करें, लर्न इंग्लिश विद सईद वज़ीर। जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज है आप मेरे साथ शेयर करें। आई विल रिकॉर्ड वीडियोज़ ऑन देम एंड आई विल ट्राई टू एजुकेट, टू ओरिएंट एंड टू अपडेट यू regarding difficult concepts and complex phenomena. Till then, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next session.